At this point in time, starting an e-commerce side business is a total no-brainer. You can make more money, you can control your time, and you could finally stop trading time for money. There's a catch, however. This actually requires work. That's why at my Ecom Club, we show people who are willing to work how to achieve success with their very own e-commerce business. If you're looking to make more money for yourself and stop giving all of your time for someone else's dream, then this could be absolutely perfect for you. We've put together a free 6-step training course to help you understand the basic fundamentals of e-commerce, to see what's absolutely available if you put in the work and see what's going to work best for you. And from there, we have other things that we can help you do and achieve to reach your goals. If you're not willing to work, if you're looking for a get rich quick, if you think this is an automated money machine, this isn't the right thing for you. But if you are dedicated to your success, then take advantage of the free 6-step trainings that we provided. Click on the link below and take a look at what can happen for you.